to talk about, at first, kind of like how our product works. So on the left is would be a URL that would be loaded into a desktop app. And you would use this in conjunction with PowerPoint or Keynote. On the web, it kind of does nothing. And this URL, you can access the URL, but it's not really known to the public. You don't use it in the web. So we have after you sign in, you have a dashboard with groups, with a list of polls, and I'll show you an example of a poll like how you feeling. There's a little preview of a poll that was made earlier. And on the right would be an example of our iPhone app that an audience would load up via a mobile app or just a mobile URL. And they would click, I'm participating. On the left, you can see that the chart would say join John Smith. Actually, it's already loaded here. John Smith 359. If I activate the poll, the audience members have that poll loaded up, and you can click, make a vote, and that would show in the chart. And this, in a presentation, you would present this chart on the left to the audience by inserting it into PowerPoint. But since this is not the desktop app, you can't actually insert that chart into a PowerPoint slide. There's other types of polls like multiple choice. If I activate it, on the right, the mobile app, everything should load, and you can vote. It uses LaTeX, regular text, you can add pictures, and the charts update live, as they would on a PowerPoint slide. This view on the left for the desktop app is kind of a preview mode that allow you to modify your effects. I did not create this, I'm just kind of showing you the flow of how our app works. We can create. So if I want to do I'll show you a little bit. Another multiple choice poll, A, B, C. I can tab, it'll create another option, click the plus, creates another option. I can add image. Hopefully it's not embarrassing. It's the same image. Little loader. Takes a while. I can choose a group, example polls. If I save it on the web, it'll actually save to my web account for Poll Everywhere. Create MCP2 and end example polls group. All right, that's the end of this intro to the Poll Everywhere workflow. Where's that screen recording button?